Introduction. A picture worth $1,000? Make it more. Ever snapped a photo so good you thought, I could sell this? You absolutely can. Turning your photography passion into profit is more than a dream. It's a reachable goal. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's a world of opportunity waiting behind the lens. Get ready to ditch the starving artist cliche and discover how to make your photography pay off big time. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building a sustainable business around your creative calling. So, are you ready to turn those stunning shots into serious cash? Let's dive in. Section 1. Freelancing, your lens, your client, your rules. Freelancing is the heart and soul of photography for many. It's about freedom, choosing your clients, projects, and rates. Start by identifying your niche. Love capturing mouth-watering food? Become a food photographer for restaurants and bloggers. Passionate about portraits? Families, graduates, and professionals all need stunning headshots. Building a strong portfolio is key. Showcase your best work. A diverse range, but stick to your niche. Don't be afraid to start small, even offering free shoots to build your portfolio and get testimonials. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can connect you with clients globally. Local businesses are gold mines too. Think about offering headshots for their websites or product photography for their online stores. Remember, clear communication is vital. Understand your clients' needs, set realistic deadlines, and always deliver high-quality work. Freelancing is about building lasting relationships, so treat every client like your most important one. With dedication and hustle, you'll be amazed at the opportunities that come knocking. Section 2. Prints that sell, from pixels to paychecks. Don't let those breathtaking images languish on your hard drive. Turn them into tangible art. Selling prints is a fantastic way to generate passive income from your photography. First, choose a printing method. High-quality prints are a must, so research options like Giclée or fine art printing. Consider factors like archival quality, color accuracy, and paper types. Next, find your marketplace. Online platforms like Etsy and Society6 offer a global audience and handle printing and shipping for you. Alternatively, explore local art fairs, craft markets, or partner with galleries to showcase your work directly. Presentation matters. Offer a variety of sizes, framing options, and even consider unique products like canvas prints, metal prints, or photo books. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what resonates with your target audience. Pricing your prints strategically is crucial. Factor in printing costs, your time, and the perceived value of your art. Remember, you're not just selling a print, but a piece of your creativity. Love teaching as much as taking photos? Photo workshops can be incredibly rewarding, both financially and creatively. Sharing your knowledge and passion with aspiring photographers is a great way to build a community and earn income. Start by identifying your area of expertise. Are you a whiz at post-processing? Do you have a knack for capturing stunning landscapes? Tailor your workshop around a specific skill or genre. Keep it concise and action-oriented. People want to walk away with tangible skills and amazing photos. Promote your workshop through social media, photography groups, and local camera stores. Consider offering different skill levels, beginner, intermediate, and advanced, to cater to a wider audience. Interactive elements are key. Incorporate hands-on shooting sessions, group critiques, and personalized feedback to create a valuable and engaging experience. Don't forget to collect testimonials from satisfied participants to attract future attendees. Teaching workshops not only generates income, but also helps you refine your own skills and stay inspired. Photography might be your passion, but to make it a sustainable business, you need to master the fundamentals: contracts, marketing, and self-promotion. Never underestimate the importance of a solid contract. It protects both you and your client, clearly outlining the scope of work, payment terms, and usage rights. Free templates are available online, but consider consulting with a legal professional to ensure your contract is ironclad. Marketing doesn't have to be daunting. Social media is your best friend. Use platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your work, engage with potential clients, and run targeted ads. Networking is crucial. Attend industry events, join photography groups, and connect with other creatives. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. You never know what opportunities might arise. Building a professional website is a must. It acts as your online portfolio, showcasing your best work, client testimonials, and contact information. Keep it updated regularly and optimize it for search engines to attract organic traffic. Remember, you're not just a photographer, you're an entrepreneur. In the world of photography, community is everything. Surrounding yourself with fellow photographers can be incredibly valuable, providing support, inspiration, and even business opportunities. Join online photography communities, forums, and social media groups. Engage in discussions, share your work, and seek feedback. Attend local photography meetups, workshops, and portfolio reviews. These events are fantastic for networking, learning from others, and getting your work seen. Collaboration is key. Team up with other photographers on projects, exchange ideas, and support each other's businesses. Don't view it as competition. See it as an opportunity for growth and mutual benefit. Mentorship is invaluable. Seek out experienced photographers whose work you admire and reach out for guidance. They can offer insights, advice, and a fresh perspective on your photography journey. Remember, you don't have to navigate this path alone. Embrace the power of community, and you'll find that success is a shared experience. Monetizing your photography skills is within your reach. It's about passion, dedication, and a sprinkle of business savvy. Whether you start with freelancing, selling prints, teaching workshops, or a mix of everything, remember to stay true to your vision, deliver exceptional quality, and never stop learning. The world is hungry for captivating imagery. So what are you waiting for? Grab your camera, step out there, and start turning those pixels into profits. Your photography journey awaits. Go make it happen.